Alright, this one's ready to...
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
I got the Tesla over to the paint department to get that one painted, and I'm going to dive into this Hyundai Elantra. A small repair. I have to repair the hood. That's rolled right across the front right there. This one is due out tomorrow. It's still got to get painted, but they're not ready for it yet. So I'm going to go ahead and to get ahead on it so it's not so much of a crunch tomorrow, I'm going to go ahead and build the front end, the new bolt-in radiator support, and as much of that as I can. That way, it'll make tomorrow that much easier and quicker to get it finished. Alright, this one's ready to go in the paint booth.
I stay putting in that work.